Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding a voiceover to your Canva presentation. Adding a voiceover can elevate your slides by introducing an engaging audio element that allows you to explain your content in your own voice, making your presentation more dynamic and personal. Begin by opening your Canva presentation. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click on the Uploads tab. Under this section, you'll find the option labelled Record Yourself. Click on it. This action will redirect you to the recording interface. On the recording page, you'll notice two main elements: a camera view and a waveform that visualizes your voice in real time as you speak. You can decide whether to leave the camera on or turn it off, depending on your preference. For instance, if you prefer an audio-only voiceover, turning off the camera will streamline your view for better focus. When you're ready, click the Record button to begin narrating your slide content. For example, for an introductory slide, you might say something like, "Welcome to the Art and History Museum presentation. Today, I will guide you on an exploration of the vibrant journey of art, spanning its rich past and dynamic present." Once you've completed the narration for that slide, click Done to stop recording. It's a good idea to listen to the playback to ensure the audio is clear and aligns with the visuals on your slide. Move to the next slide and repeat the process. For instance, if you're narrating a table of contents slide, you could say, "Here is the table of contents for our presentation. The first slide provides an introduction to the museum, the second highlights our team, the third showcases the art gallery, the fourth examines the museum's architecture, the fifth presents our timeline, and the sixth dives into the history of art." After finishing the voiceover for a slide, click Done again and proceed to the next one. Repeat this step until you've added a voiceover to all slides in your presentation. Once you've completed the voiceovers, click Save and Exit to return to your project. To preview your finished presentation, click Present and navigate through your slides. You'll notice that your voiceovers play automatically, perfectly synced with each slide. Adding voiceovers to your Canva slides not only enhances the presentation's clarity, but also allows you to communicate your message in a personalized and impactful way. It's a straightforward feature that can transform static slides into a dynamic and engaging experience. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can create a professional presentation with custom audio narration. Give it a try and take your Canva presentations to the next level.